Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening Play Store. Make sure your device is unlocked, charged, and on Wi-Fi to save data. Once the Play Store opens, tap your profile icon at top right and choose Manage Apps and Device. From there, go to Installed or Library to find the app showing ads. This gets you straight into the app management area so you can modify settings, uninstall updates, or remove the app itself without unnecessary steps. Once you've selected the app, tap it to open its Play Store page, and then tap Uninstall to remove it. If Uninstall is disabled, choose Disable or Open settings linked to Access System app controls. Make sure to clear data and clear cache to remove residual ad configurations. This helps stop persistent notifications. If the ad content comes from a browser or a different app, check the app's permissions and revoke anything unnecessary. These steps remove the app or neutralize its ad-serving behavior. Finish by rebooting your device to ensure changes take effect. This clears temporary processes that might still show ads. Then open Play Store Play Protect and run a scan to detect potentially harmful apps. If ads persist, go to Settings Apps Reset App Preferences. Only use Factory Reset as a last resort because it erases data. If you run into errors, check storage space, update Android, and retry. These fixes often resolve installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.